Hi Virgo, welcome to the Spiritual Enlightened Weekly Tarot Card reading from 11th to 17th of July. This is a general reading based on Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It may or may not resonate to every one of you. Take to whatever resonates and leave the rest in behind. For the current situation, you have Eight of Swords. What are the challenges? You have Three of Pentacles in reverse. What to focus on? You have Temperance. For your past, you have Ace of Pentacles in reverse. For your strength, you have Three of Wands. For the near future, you have Moon. For advice, you have Five of Cups. What you need to know, you have Queen of Swords. What are the hopes and fears? You have Knight of Pentacles. What is the final outcome? It's Ten of Pentacles. The bottom of the deck. In your present situation, you have Eight of Swords. I see that present position, things are not going well in your life. It may be breakup with your partner, but it's okay. Bad experiences helped you learn and grow, so we cannot avoid them at all. Your tough situation remembers you that it is only a transitional period of time and the pain will go. Your willpower is more than you think it is. You feel like you are dedicating too much time to career or relationship that isn't doing anything for you. So change your circumstances. Don't stuck on that. Now is the time to consider if changing your path will be as bad as staying where you are. So focus on that. Right? For the challenge, you have Three of Pentacles in reverse. Your challenge for this week, the Three of Pentacles reverse, isn't a bad card, right? Yeah, it isn't a bad card, but it is one of you have to listen it. If you ignore it, the situation would get more worse and throw up some real blockades in your prevent. Okay, it's only, yeah, even your job or work affects you personally. Maybe your work has been ignored and your team won't listen to you in a relationship area. You are not putting yourself efforts to work on that. It also indicates that a third party may cause frictions. Third party is not mean about that another lover or another person. You may be relative or friend also, right? So you and your partner are not making an effort to make it clear, right? So you have to do this. Your focus is Temperance. Temperance is all about balance. You have to focus on abandoning the chaos all around us. The moments when we learn how to distract the issues around us, we learn to nourish ourselves with our own truth. As we have seen with the challenges card, Temperance shows us how we can remove blockades in our life and become truly vibrant, right? What's in your past is Ace of Pentacles in reversed. It might be recent past. You might maybe worrying too much about things that was not going well in that time. Something happened in a relationship seemed like a big deal at the time, but when you really think over it, it's nothing to be concerned about it. So done with your past and moving forward to the new path. Your strength, your strength is moon. It is a card that you are going to look future regarding your current situation. Yeah. Make sure your life is balanced generally, and that if you are in a relationship, neither of you are overbearing or demanding towards the other. Even in the most loving relationship, each partner needs time alone to grow as an individual. Take a step back and have a look at what is going on, what you want to focus on, right? For the guidance, you have Three of Wands. You are moving towards a time of creativity. In the future, it will be a good time to get involved in artistic projects. But it also brings illusion and can lead into your shadow side. Listen to your intuition and let things take their course. It will illuminate everything in the due time. Don't make any big investments or take any big decisions. It may be a puts on the notice that you won't have all the information you need. Don't take any hasty decisions. Do some more research and wait for the clarity. For the advice, you have Five of Cups. The main advice of the Five of Cups is to let go of the past and move on. Grief, sadness, and negativity will only hold you back from your fullest potential. Don't be a victim of life circumstances. Instead, try to take a look at the bright side. What you need to know is Queen of Swords. It symbolizes that rationalize things too much rather than follow your emotion and intuition. And this is delaying your progress on spiritual path or in your general life also. You need to trust your gut feelings, your intuition, trust yourself. Even if your heart, if you, even if your head is telling you to do whatever is beneficial for you, but trust your intuition and gut feelings rather than listen to your head, right? Your hopes and fears is Knight of Pentacles. Listen to your fear at its big chances, or it has some very interesting things to say. Maybe you experienced negative situation in the past or present, whatever in your yeah, your fear has come in the being as expression of self-love, a way to protect you from any further harm. Don't judge it. Try to learn. This will free the energy of your fear and you will be able to move forward. Look, your outcome is 10 of Pentacles. When you let go of your fears, the future struggle that you will overcome, especially regarding finances, relationship, this is a good placement. Expect happiness. Are you looking for someone? It might be the word thinking of partners. Yeah. If you're looking for the partner, you might get the traditional type partner, right? If you want to spend this time alone, that's fine too. Take things easy and don't push yourself. Yeah. If you want to be alone right now, so don't take any hasty decisions or because in future your outcome is 10 of Pentacles, your wish fulfillment, your celebration, right? So anything of this? Yeah, that's all for today. If it resonates to you, please subscribe this channel. Okay, bye.